Hello guys, thank you and welcome back to Abby's Home Kitchen. So today I'll be baking something with my kids, my two girls. So they've always been disturbing me, and finally I gave them the opportunity to showcase in my videos. So today what are we making, girls?
We're making peanut butter chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, and we'll be sharing our ingredients here. But before that, please, if you like our video, can you do what?
Thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell button so that you can always get notifications. So today, what we'll be using?
Flour.
So this is all-purpose flour. What is this?
Peanut butter.
What is this?
Eggs.
What is this?
Butter.
And here
It's vanilla.
we have vanilla extract. We also have brown sugar. And this is white sugar. And what is this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate chip and a little bit of salt. So here we're using baking soda. Okay, so the first thing we'll be doing here, I'm gonna be pouring the butter. Okay guys, so okay, Sophia, can I have peanut butter? Okay, can you pour the peanut butter? Careful. So like I said, every measurement we're gonna be typing it and indicating it there. Do you need help? Just it's a bit sticky. Okay, so that's that. Then Debbie, can you pour some brown sugar? What about the white sugar? Yeah, pour it out, pour it out. Okay, Debbie. Mixing this way. Okay.
So as you can see, this is our batter.
So we have so Debbie, the next thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be adding the eggs. Okay, so you can drop the shell here, Sophia. Okay, good one. Okay, Sophia, please hold the pure vanilla extract. Okay, so we're just gonna be using about 1 teaspoon. And now we're going to be mixing again. So let's Debbie try to mix. Okay. As you can see, everything is coming up together. That really smells so good in here. It looks like now.
Really good. It's really good. It has a good taste.
Okay.
But the peanut butter is a little too much.
Oh, you think it's too much? Well,
yeah. Well, but the basic, and this cookie is the peanut butter. Yeah. The peanut butter and the brown sugar make it taste better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna be putting our flour here. So we're gonna be doing this bit by bit. So hold on, Sophia, please. Hold on, please. So I'm just gonna mix this a little bit here first, so that you don't have everywhere messy.
Yeah, you see, yeah. So a little where it's just a messy.
Okay, so it's coming off. So we're just gonna use spatula to make the remaining mix, and this is also what? This is a little bit of salt. And like I said earlier, this is our baking soda.
Yeah, baking soda. And it smells wonderful.
Yeah.
Smell the peanut butter. Yeah.
So while I'm doing this now, I'm just gonna quickly turn on the oven to 350 degrees, just so that by the time we're ready, we can just give me a so this is this here now. Flip it just carefully. Just add as much as you want.
Add everything.
No, we're not adding everything. Start for now. Yeah, this is it now. So what we're just going to do here is just to get it ready. So we already have a pan here, which we have lined with a baking sheet.
So we're going to be using this.
So we're going to try the two options, okay? Just to see which one. Since our hands are clean, so the first thing we're going to do is, so we're just going to use this to scoop it up, out. It's okay, just leave it there. So I'm just going to scoop this out in here like this. So the other option we can do is this. I'm going to roll this in my hand. Okay. So we don't want it to be too big. So let me just try it first. Just try as much as possible to make it into a ball. So make it into a ball just like this.
Then do this.
So what we just do after that is just to press it a little bit.
Then sort of.
Yeah, just spread it a little
That's
bit
enough.
this way.
So
So that's also another option. So
we're gonna be going with the second option.
put a little bit in you guys' hands. So just try as much as possible to make it into a ball. I'm also going to leave this one here. I'm not going to press it just so that we can see the outcome. Okay?
If it turns flat like that.
So this is what we have here now. So we're going to be taking this to the oven.
Then we're going to start with the other one.
Yeah. So we're going to be baking it for about 12 to 15 minutes thereabouts, and we'll be checking. Okay? So come with us. So our oven is already heated up to 235 degrees now. Guys,
so we're gonna be checking our cookies so they smell wonderful, and the ball ones, it looks like the ball ones turn flat so the cookies are flat, they're getting ready.
So they're just coming off, as you can see from here. So it's about 10 minutes now. We're just gonna wait another 5 minutes just to see how everything goes.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's looking good. See you.
Welcome back, guys. Okay, the cookies are ready.
We're just gonna go see them now.
So we're just gonna take them out.
As you can see,
the chocolate in it.
so we are just gonna put this out and let it cool down. Okay.
That's a little hot.
It's not a little hot, it's super duper hot. Okay, Sophia, come and see this too. So we're just gonna let it cool off here. So we actually made 2 trays, as you can see. Looking so beautiful.
So these are our cookies. They turned out really good.
Yeah, as you can see.
Yeah. So we're gonna try it.
Yeah, we're gonna try it. So
They're a little hot. They're so good, guys.
Very good.
Still good.
Okay, thank you guys. Like we said before, if you like our video, kindly give us a thumbs up by liking our video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.